work, we will not allow him even to fail. The man, if you check offices Haruna Iddrisu, Honorable Haruna Iddrisu has held, I can be very certain with you that he performs. And you know, when you are a student leader, or when you have been a student leader before, one thing is that the most difficult people that you will ever what do you call it, deal with in life, a university student. The dynamics of the university student, if you are able to handle them very well, Maza, you will succeed everywhere. And Haruna Iddrisu being a student leader before, and if you like, check politicians or my student leaders before, their dynamics of leadership are different.
Was that Frank Dr. Crow, yes. Why a student leader?
And so me, I will say that the idea of he is not an educationist is neither here nor there. We want a leader who have the political will to deal with issues when they arise. And I think he has all. Sure. Universities are the highest in the educational architecture in Ghana. And it is about Ghana Education, Ministry of Education. The highest crop of people you are going to deal with is the universities. And that is why, if you remember, I told you that even though those who are likely to give you much also problem can be the, what do you call it, the nat and the nagrat in the distance. But I think Haruna has all that it takes to handle the issues. But let me tell you something. One of the problems that he's likely to face in the very first month or this is this free SHS thing. And you know, Oman John Mahama solved the problem before he even got the power. Sir John, Edidie, Eya Debia, Sebi, person who bow Babrokra, Memphis, a common channel. And now, when it comes to free SHS, the major problems in free SHS, aside double track, is feeding. The biggest problem of feeding in the secondary school is Ghana buffer stock. Because Adriana na esi ya de banemba. And until John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency can say, look, in the olden days, no, headmasters, domestic basis, and no mutual. Yes, a bit me say in the process of procurement, you know, it no maybe cost one year, but yeah, what's on your man?
And you say no,
we are ready to help.
Yes,
Honorable Haruna Iddrisu to succeed in education.
Would you experience anyway?
And you know what? Maybe finally, just as the economic dialogue committee has been formed, I know, say, with the Honorable Haruna Iddrisu appointed substantively, meaning said the educational bit is going to be, because the educational bit is so important, because the review of free SHS is a crucial thing in the light of NDC's government.
Right. Thank you.